In this video, we will discuss about heterotrophic mode of nutrition in plant. There are 4 types of mode of nutrition in plant. These are parasitic plant, saprophytic, insectivorous plant and symbiotic plant. So, these type of plants depend on other for their food, depend on other organism, other matter, organic matter or other plant for their food. They cannot synthesize their own food. That's why they are categorized under heterotrophic plants. Okay. So, first one is parasitic plant. It is a plant, parasitic plant derives its nutritional requirement, derives its food from another living plant. It derives its food from another living plant. Okay. So, this type of plant nutrition is called parasitic mode of nutrition in plant. It takes ready-made food from the host plant. Okay. And so that's why it is called parasite. Plant which are taking their nutrition from other plants are called parasitic plant, and the plant on which it depends for food or it climbs for food is called host. Okay. For example, example of parasitic plant is cuscuta and monster flower. Okay. These are 2 examples of parasitic plants. Let's talk about saprophytic mode of nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition in which plants obtain its food from dead and decaying matter. Sapro means dead and decaying matter. So, in this mode of nutrition, plants derive their food from dead and decaying matter. It's called saprophytic mode of nutrition. And example of saprophytic plants are fungus, okay, and some bacteria. Does not the example of plant, but some fungus are non-green plant and they obtain their food from dead and decaying matters. In bacteria also saprophytic. Okay. About insectivorous plant. Insectivorous means insect eating plant. So insectivorous plant are the plants that derive their nutrition by consuming insects. They consume insects. Okay. So insectivorous plants are the plants that derive their nutrition by consuming insects. They have special features that attract insects, trap them and digest them to obtain nutrients. How they consume insects? They have special features that attract insects. They are beautiful colored plant. So insect attract towards these their flowers. Okay. So they have special features to trap them and digest them to obtain nutrient. Example of some insectivorous plants are Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, Drosera. These are the examples of insectivorous plant. Let's discuss about symbiotic mode of nutrition. So, this is the mode of nutrition in which two different organisms live together, share shelter and nutrient is called symbiotic nutrition. For example, lichen. Lichen is not a plant. Lichen is an association between algae and fungus. Okay, it is an association between algae and fungus. When algae and fungus live together, so this type of association is called lichen. Okay. So in symbiosis, 2 organisms live together, share shelter and nutrients. Okay, both the organisms are mutually benefited. So, in lichen, algae and fungus lives together. Algae is a green plant, so it provides, it synthesizes their food, okay, and provide to fungus. It gives their food to fungus, and fungus in return, gives shelter and protection from the environment. In this way, both the organisms are mutually benefited. Got it?